Hey guys, welcome back to Supercars Warehouse. Here we have is a 2014 Holden SS Storm. This isn't just your regular Storm. This Storm has been upgraded with a W310 Walkinshaw Performance Pack. As you can see, the wheels, the badges has been all painted black. This car comes fitted with original 18-inch alloy wheels, reverse camera and GPS. This car comes with 2 sets of keys, full service history and a Walkinshaw installation certificate. If you're looking for a performance vehicle, look no further. Thanks and hope to see you again.